In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a bell curve in PowerPoint. If you're looking to create a visually appealing and precise bell curve for your presentation, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and tackle the steps you need to transform a straightforward PowerPoint slide into a polished visual that impresses your audience. First, you'll start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once that's up and running, navigate to the specific presentation where you want to add your bell curve. It could be a new slide or an existing one, just make sure you have a blank space to work with. With your presentation open, take a look at the top menu bar and click on the Insert tab. This is your gateway to adding various elements to your slide, including the basic shapes we'll use to construct the bell curve. Once you've clicked Insert, direct your attention to the Shapes option in the ribbon. This is where you'll find all the basic building blocks we need. Start by selecting a triangle from the Shapes menu. With the triangle tool active, click and drag on your slide to add a small triangle. This will serve as the base of your bell curve. Try to position it on the bottom left section of your slide, keeping it relatively small as it will be an anchor for our subsequent shapes. After you've added the base triangle, it's time to return to the Shapes menu. This time we'll be adding another triangle. Choose the triangle shape again and place it on your slide, forming a pointed triangle that should be larger and slightly different from the base. This creates a visual anchor for your curve. Now you'll want to select both of these shapes together. You can do this by clicking on one shape, then holding the Shift key while you click the other shape. With both shapes selected, right click to bring up a context menu. From this menu, choose the Lock option. This ensures that your shapes stay in place as you work on your curve, preventing any unwanted movement that could disrupt your design. Next, let's return to the Insert tab and click on Shapes once again. This time we're selecting the Curve tool. With this tool, you're going to carefully draw your bell curve. Start from the base of the two triangles and click to place points that trace the curve through the shapes, forming a gentle, symmetrical arc that resembles a bell. Once you've finished plotting points, PowerPoint will complete the curve for you, creating a clean and precise bell curve outline. And there you have it. A simple yet elegant bell curve is now part of your presentation, ready to highlight and visualize your data or concept. If needed, you can further refine your curve or adjust its color and line thickness for added emphasis. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll master creating bell curves in PowerPoint in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.